Hi, I'm Anthony. This is my GMC Sierra. It's not as big as trucks my dad sells at Mills GM. Those are huge. My dad says that Mills GM got the right truck for everybody. The Canyon has cool new technology. The Sierra is a full-size truck. Sierra HD is the most powerful of all. My dad also sells the Yukon SUV. Those are huge. But I'd rather have a truck. A truck, this works better for me. One thing about GM trucks is they are chick magnets. But that's not why you should buy them. It's just a bonus. Anthony, I like this dog. But I still don't know why you will want a Yukon instead of a truck, unless you have family. Anthony, we got family today. Come see the new truck my dad sells at Mills GM, but don't buy a Yukon. Hold it.
Won't you take a drive